Hi students, this is Rajendra, mathematics faculty. Today I am going to discuss some problems for CBSE board examination. Those who are writing CBSE board examinations, I am going to discuss some problems. See here, by the method of completion of squares, show that the equation 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 has no real roots. Now here, what is the quadratic equation it is given? 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now here, to write in the form of a perfect square, here make the quotient of x square. Make the quotient of x square, it should be equal to 1. Therefore, divide this equation with 4. If I divide this equation with 4, x square plus 3 by 4 into x plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Now here, I want to write this in the form of a perfect square. Now here, perfect square means a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square form, that it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. First term x square I am writing as x whole square plus 2 into a value x. Now here b value, what we have to write so that it will becomes 3 by 4x. Now here if I write 3 by 8, now here this will be 2 4 times, therefore here this will becomes 3 by 4x. Therefore b value it will be equal to 3 by 8. Now here plus b square 3 by 8 whole square plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Now here, see here 3 by 8 whole square, we are adding 3 by 8 whole square. Therefore, we have to subtract 3 by 8 whole square minus 3 by 8 whole square. This should be equal to 0. Now here, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square we are having. Therefore, this we can write x plus 3 by 8 whole square plus 5 by 4 minus 9 by 64 equal to 0. X plus 3 by 8 whole square. If I take LCM, therefore this will be 64. Now here this will be 16 times and this will be 80 minus 9 equal to 0. X plus 3 by 8 whole square plus 80 minus 9, that it will be 71 by 64 equal to 0. Now x plus 3 by 8 whole square, it should be equal to minus 71 by 64. Now here x plus 3 by 8, it should be equal to under root of minus 71 by 64. Under root of negative value, it is not a real value. Not a real. Therefore, it does not have any real roots. That means it does not have no real roots for this equation. Comment if you are having any doubt. We will discuss a few more problems in the next class. Thank you.